welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make cake flour. So all you need is your flour and your corn flour, not self-raising flour. And yes, these things can be really hard to find in the shops. In my baking section, I barely find cake flour there. So I usually do this when the recipe calls for cake flour. So all I need is to measure 1 cup of plain flour, or all-purpose flour, some other people call it. And I'll measure 2 tablespoonfuls of flour out of it. I'll take it out of it and I'll replace it with 2 tablespoonfuls of corn flour or cornstarch. I'll mix it up, and it is advisable to sift it for about 2 to 3 times, sometimes even 4, just to get it all well combined. After I have sifted it about 3 times to 4 times, I find that even the same 1 cup of flour became even a little more, because I was able to get an extra 1 tablespoonful out of it after measuring a full cup. So yeah, so that's all you have to do. It's very simple. Once again, all you need to do is measure a cup of flour, take 2 tablespoonfuls of flour out of it, then replace it with 2 tablespoonfuls of corn flour and mix together, and sift and sift again until it's all well combined. And so thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now and have a lovely day.